Hello everyone and welcome back to Prestigious Prep by Paris. Today we're going to talk all about lips and restoration and getting those pinks back in place. I supported a black-owned business called Lavish Lip Magic. Here is what the packaging looked like when I received it on December the 4th. So I just wanted to show you, it came in a cute little package. The bottle was really cute, blinged out. This is the actual application that goes on your lips after you do the scrub. It has a pretty smooth feel to it. It didn't really have a scent that was extravagant or anything. It just, it was a regular lip balm kind of spread, and so no issues there. It wasn't sticky or anything like that. It went on, as I said, it glided on pretty smooth, so I really didn't have any issues with it at all. I also received the actual scrub. I did buy the kit. So you have the option to buy these options individually, or you can actually buy them together in a kit. So I chose to do the kit. Here's the actual scrub. Now the scrub smells good, tastes good. Don't eat it, but yes, it does taste good. And so I'm just showing you what it looks like. It's beautiful, this pretty pink color, which definitely helps when it comes to applying this to your lips and getting that pink color. So now you're just looking at kind of where it is right now. I've been using it so much, as you can see, I really like it. And so that's what we have right now. Right here, I just want to show you October 21st is where I started, y'all. I went out of town, came back. I don't know what happened to my lips. I don't know if they got sunburnt or what, but it was terrible and I could not figure out what to do. I tried all kinds of stuff, basically. And so I started to try this on December 5th, the Lavish Lip Magic. And as you can see, this is a pretty drastic difference. I would say 1 or 2 days I was able to really see a difference. Here is December 10th. As you can see, I'm making more progress and more progress. Here is the 13th, still looking good. And actually on the 14th, I was really outdone, oh my God. So I just kept trying to take pictures to keep track. Here's the 16th. That's another side view. I'm going to show you the other view here in a second. Here you go. As you can see, just beautiful. So now I'm going to show you how I actually apply it. So here you have me actually going ahead and using the scrub. This is what I do first thing in the morning as a part of my routine after I wash my face. Apply the scrub. Now you can use any type of exfoliant rag or toothbrush or whatever you like. I feel like my fingers gave me better control over it. I didn't really want to waste the product. So I went with my fingers to make sure obviously they're super clean before you go to do this, because you're going to have issues with all kinds of other stuff if you put nasty fingers on your lips, okay? Don't do that, okay? All right, so just scrub. I usually just continue to scrub until I've gotten rid of all of the grainy material or substance that's on my lip. I try to cover especially all of the problematic areas, like I said, the corners that decided to act a fool on me. But I did make sure I did my entire lip, just to make sure that it turns out really even when I started to use it. Again, it's consistent. I use this every morning. The instructions say 3 to 4 times a week, but y'all, I had to do more because I was so upset with the way my lips acted a fool like that. So I wanted to get it done. So I mean, definitely 3 to 4 would work. However, I did every day, period. So yeah, and so this is what we're looking at right here. So you go ahead and you continue to scrub. Again, work it all the way in, all around your mouth. Definitely don't miss those corners, because that's important. After you do that, you want to take a warm towel and get rid of all the excess, kind of scrub off the skin that you exfoliated to remove that. Get the foundation nice and clean, and then after you get it all nice and clean, you're going to go ahead and apply the actual lip stick or lip chap, if you will, or elixir, whatever you would like to call it. You apply that to your lips. It says 4 times a day. I was religious about this 4 times a day, y'all. I was not playing any games. Just take it out like you will normally apply your lip gloss. Be very careful that you don't get this over the top of your lip, or any of those places, because it does help brighten. And so if you don't want discoloration in any of those other areas, then you do want to be mindful of where you're putting this. Now the products are mentioned on the actual website. I'll link the link below. That information was not in here. I wish it was. But you can go out to the website and see exactly what's in here. But it was a list of all natural products that you can pronounce. You understand what they are. There was not anything foreign on here or chemicals that I saw personally. So what you want to do is after you apply your actual elixir or the lip gloss that comes with it, you want to follow it up with some sort of chapstick. I was originally trying to use Blistex, but I found Carmex works the best. Those two were like beautiful best friends, married or whatever, some in a relationship. They worked beautifully when it comes to accelerating my results. So I highly recommend that. And after about the second or third week, I started to follow up with a vitamin E and rose oil lip gloss. I'll link that below so that you can get that from Tress's Beauty Supply. We have options for peppermint, and I think we have I think it's a coconut or something. I can't really remember. But anyway, I'll link it below so you can grab yours as well. So anyway, the results were beautiful. Customer service was bomb. Shipping was fast. This is me not too long ago. And here is me again. So as you can see, it's the bomb. Make sure you go ahead and you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you go out and support this lovely boss chick. And until next time, bye guys.